Welcome to the Chill Show, folks.
Good morning.
I got some more up here. And we've got the Komatsu in the garage. Cause we've got a leak. Oh, let it dog. Let it dog. Just the nature of the beast when you're working stuff. I guess stuff breaks and stuff leaks. So we're gonna pull the belly pan off of it and see if we can't figure out where this leak's coming from. Yeah, beautiful machine, ain't it? Lovely. Oh, I lied. We're gonna pull the top pan off first. Get your own camera.
We'll have to.
Don't talk bad about your wife now. I mean, I do this quite often, but my arm's getting pretty tired.
Swap out.
I just had to switch my dominant hand, you know. So right here, this thing is hard to read because there's so much gum over the years built up. So we're gonna try to take that sight glass off and get it clean. I'll be your cameraman, Marv.
All right.
For your YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
Pry on a little bit in case there's a gasket. Definitely a gasket, huh? I don't know, man. I'd hate to get it where you can't fill it back up.
Yeah. Let me get my glasses.
He's blind.
Yeah, I
don't know if that pops out or not. See, it's gonna be hard to. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to seal back up if we break it.
Yeah.
Be nice if we can get the glass out and leave the grommet, but. So we're gonna strap some new lights on this thing. These are pretty chintzy. Well, they probably was really good back in their day. That one don't even work. The other one works, and the backup light works. So we're gonna strap some new LEDs on the front here. Let's get her done. Up a dozer. Just like that. Now we're doing the front. Now you gotta watch your toes. And just like that, both lights installed. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, that's gonna be bright. That ought to light things up, fog light style. Alright, so we've adjusted this inertia band. So we're gonna see how it... I'm good to start this thing, Anna. Why is it so... That ain't good. Alright, I don't know what you just caught, but that seems to be adjusted perfectly. So in good old GoPro fashion, just like always, the audio is trash. It's nothing but clicking for the rest of the videos that I shot on this shoot right here. But as I'm scraping the dirt away, I realized the grease fitting to put grease behind the idler to adjust the tension on the tracks is right there. So I didn't even have to take the cover off. So there's the cover back on, grease fittings behind it. Yep, sadly, crawling underneath there and everything, didn't have to take it off. Just a big waste of time. So here we are tightening it with that cover on. So here I am having a voice over my outro. Basically just walking around letting you admire the machine because I sure do. I think he's got an awesome machine here. Basically we're just telling you what we did. Got the sight glass I'm about to point out cleaned up. Now you can see it, you can read the level real well. We checked for some leaks under the belly pan. Most things seem to be just loose fittings. There were some wet spots, but don't think anything pressing right now. Got the LED lights installed, got it greased up, did some preventative maintenance, adjusted the tracks, and she's ready to go to work. So, as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching the Chelton Show. God bless.